Hello everyone, welcome to another video brought to you by D Access, and the presenter for this video is Daunga Tembo. And so for this video we are going to be doing a mail merge. And so for those that might not know what mail merging is, this is an action in Word or a function of Word which enables you to send letters to a number of recipients. If you have the same letter and you want to send it out to a lot of recipients, you can just type it out once and send it to everyone instead of editing and typing out each letter for each person. And this also is like a clear and faster way to just link your Word to your email or your letters, so that you can have it typed out in Word and you just send it out like that, instead of typing out in Word, going to your email, searching for the document and attaching it there, then you send. No, this you can just do your editing from Word and you can just send it to your receiver and it will just reach as a letter. So if you want to do this mail merging, you have to go to your mailings tab, and for your mailings tab, and you see these number of ribbons, and now you start by starting your mail merge. So we are going to mail merge it to letters because we want to send letters to a number of people. So we are going to send letters, and now we have selected the letters and we are going to select the recipients. So there are three options. You can choose it from Outlook. Outlook is also another application under Microsoft Office which saves your contacts, and you can pick out from there and send the letters to them. And you can use an existing list. This can be in another application, it can be in Access, it can be in Excel, or any other list that you have in your computer. So you can use that, and you can also type out a new list. When you're typing out a new list, you are presented with various fields that you have to fill in. So all these columns will have to be filled in, but it's not always. You, as the creator or as the one who is creating this mail merge, you can customize it. So if you feel there are too many, you can delete, you can rename, you can also add more if you want more fields. And once you fill these in, then you can now start sending. So because we are done with this, for the video we are going to use an existing list which is in our PC. So we are going to go with this list here because it has a number of people that we would like to send the letters to. So we'll click on that and we'll open, and now they are in. If you want to see the people who are receiving this list, you can go to edit recipient list, and as you can see, the last name and the first name and their addresses, city, country, and email addresses are all taken in. For this letter that we are sending, these are the fields that I needed. So as compared to what I showed you when you're typing out a new list, these appear to be fewer than those. That's because I deleted some of the columns. So if you want specific people to receive a specific list, you can mark them, or if you want everyone to do it, you can just mark everyone and you can say okay. And now we have to start with our letter. So for our letter, as you all know, we need to start with an address of the receiver. So we are going to put in the address of the receiver, and as you can see, it's showing us different examples of how we can insert the address of our receiver. So as you can see, we can just go put it there, and our address for the receiver will look like this, and we are just going to say okay. So as you can see, that is how it comes, but this is how it shows before you preview. And for the greeting line, this refers to dear sir, to whom it may concern. So yeah, if we don't need this, we can just simply write none here, and all that's going to show is dear name of receiver and comma, and we are going to say okay, and that's the greeting line there. If you want to see what's happening, you can preview the results, and as you can see, this is our address block, or this here is our address block, because this is the address of the receiver, and this is our greeting line. And now you're done, we can continue, and we go down, and we are going to type out what the letter is supposed to say to them. So we are going to say, your bill is due on the 23rd of February 2023. Please make the payment to avoid being inconvenienced. And we are just going to edit that so that it should look more professional and well spelled. And when we are done, we are going to put our yours sincerely Temple's Housing. So this is under the assumption that we have tenants. Exactly. So when we edit all this, okay, so now that we've edited everything, we are now going to preview our results. So this is going to look like this. And now we have our address block and our greeting line, what we've typed out, and we can see the same thing for our next user. As you can see, the name has changed, everything is just okay, and the names have changed, and the names have changed, and this is all. So when you are done with all this and you feel what you have typed is contains all the information that you need your recipients to know, you can just finish the mail merge, and you can edit the individual documents if there is need, or you can just print them out if you want them to be sent by hand or physically. You can just print out the documents, or you can send an email which will require the internet, and this will direct you directly to your email, and you will send them from there. And so thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it, and please like and subscribe to D-Access for more videos that are going to help you in Word, and see you next time.